Hi everyone, welcome back to DeFi Daily. Today we're going to talk about Liquid Driver, that is a protocol on Fantom that is focused on giving you the maximum yield from your liquidity. And this is always about the long and the big topic about the liquidity wars, the cure wars, and this is another protocol that is working in that direction. This is the version for busy people, and the full explanation with all the details will come later on. So let's start immediately. Just let me say that this channel is about giving you tools in order to better understand DeFi. It's not about financial advice. So please, before investing in anything, just do your own research. So let's start immediately. Liquid Driver is like a convex that we have been talking about a couple of weeks ago. If you missed that video, we'll leave also a link in the right corner here, just on Fantom. With the big difference is that if convex is working only with a curve, at least at the moment, Liquid Driver is working with all the main protocols into the Fantom ecosystem. As you can see from the farming feature, if you go here on all farms, you will see that Liquid Driver is integrating Spiritswap, Spookyswap, Magic, and Beethoven X. The reason why it is powerful because it allows you to go, for example, on Spiritswap. Let's say that you want to deposit that you have some FTM plus USDC. So you can just go to Spiritswap, deposit the liquidity inside Spiritswap, so FTM and USDC. Instead of staking your tokens into Spiritswap, so your LP tokens, and in that case you would be able to earn just 25%, as you can see from Spiritswap. If instead staking it here, you go on Liquid Driver, you will receive a 62% APR. This APR is paid in Liquid Driver tokens, so the tokens of a Liquid Driver. In the moment when you are receiving these tokens, you can also stake them. In the moment when you are staking them, it is like for you earning a double reward, because instead of earning just your 62%, you will earn another, in this case right now is 96% on top of your 62%. And if you're wondering where are coming out this kind of APR, is pretty simple. The first APR that is paid to your LP tokens is paid with the tokens of the platform, so it is just inflation. And in that moment, the Liquid Driver protocol is collecting on your name all the rewards. So it is accumulating rewards from Spiritswap, Spookyswap, Beethoven X, and so on. And in the moment when you are staking your Liquid Driver tokens, and in order to stake them and in order to maximize your rewards, you have to lock them. And the locking period that is suggested in order to maximize your yield is 2 years. And you can see it down here from this interface. So in the moment when you are staking and locking your Liquid Driver tokens, you will start receiving also the revenue sharings. What does it mean? It means that all the tokens that were collected through all the farming features will be redistributed, at least in a certain amount, to all the users that are staking the Liquid Driver tokens. So in this way, they are creating use cases for and the incentive to just hold the Liquid Driver token instead of pushing people to just sell it. Not to mention that at the same time, Liquid Driver is accumulating a high amount of tokens from Spookyswap, Spiritswap, Beethoven X, and Magic. And the reason why it is important, because, for example, on Spiritswap, it allows you to vote for the amount of APY that should be redirected to certain pools. So what Liquid Driver can do is accumulating Spiritswap tokens in order to boost the rewards for the pools that are containing the tokens that they are interested in. So let's try just to summarize for a moment what we have said. Liquid Driver is a protocol that aims to solve the problem about how the liquidity is managed into the whole DeFi ecosystem, more specifically in this case about Fantom. So it wants to incentivize people to stake the LP tokens on their platform instead of just staking them into the platform of, for example, Spooky, Spirit, and so on. In this way, people can start earning a double farming reward, because from one side you are earning the liquid driver tokens from the moment when you are staking your LP tokens, and after that you can earn the revenue sharings from the liquid driver tokens that you are staking. Not to mention that in this way, the platform is accumulating voting power. This is exactly what we were saying about Convex with Curve. Convex has become the biggest holder of Curve tokens into the whole crypto space. And in the same way, Liquid Driver is accumulating tokens from all the different Fantom main protocols. On the other side, in the future, people who are owning the tokens of Liquid Driver can also earn even on top of the two already APR that they are earning, because they can also add some APR from bribes, because protocols or people that will have the interest to vote on Beethoven X, on Spiritswap and so on, will be incentivized to own the token of Liquid Driver. And if you are owning it, you can just sell your voting power to someone else and even increase even more your rewards. Just to close, a final thought, remember that this protocol is a medium risk protocol, because remember that it's not free of risk. You are just adding another level of risk instead of just using Spiritswap, because if you are using only Spiritswap, you are exposed only to the risk of Spiritswap. If you're using Liquid Driver on top of Spiritswap, you are increasing, obviously, the risk. So just pay attention to it, don't type in, and consider always the risk. Guys, let me know what do you think about the Liquid Driver, and later on will come also the full version with all the explained details and a couple of things that I didn't have the time to explain into this video. It could be also useful, and I will also explain what are the future plans. Remember that if you want to always stay updated, remember to subscribe, leave a big thumbs up, drop a comment, and I will see you later with another video. Bye guys.